This area may seem overgrown and unruly, but this bowl-shaped space behind me is called a rain garden, and it serves a very important purpose. Rain gardens are filled with specially selective native vegetation to intercept and treat stormwater runoff before it reaches ditches, stormwater drains, and waterways. Native plants absorb the water and use nutrients from the runoff. Selective vegetation should be deep-rooted perennials, shrubs, and grasses that can tolerate both wet and dry conditions. Rain gardens provide many benefits to an area, such as storing and absorbing water that might otherwise contribute to flooding, creating habitat and beautifying the landscape, and naturally removing most urban pollutants. Both the plants and the soil work naturally to remove, recycle, and biodegrade stormwater pollutants. Water that is not absorbed into the rain garden exits it cleaner.